Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best bedding sets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Bedsure Bedding Set. The Bedsure Bedding Set is a great choice for anyone looking to spruce up their bedroom. This 7-piece set includes a comforter, flat sheet, fitted sheet, 2 pillowcases, and 2 pillow shams. Allowing you to amp up your bedroom without spending a fortune, this set offers an elegant look that provides sophistication and style to any sleeping space. The comforter features a unique pinch pleat craft and a geometric pattern to add a lavish vibe to any room. The filling blend is thoroughly tested for optimal weight and warmth to ensure you'll stay cozy at night. What we like about it: easy care, machine washable design. Deep pockets in the fitted sheet. What we don't like about it: the comforter may wrinkle easily. Number 2. It Plus Ivy Bedding Set. If you want to add a luxurious, inviting touch to your bedroom, look no further than the Ink Plus Ivy Bedding Set. Its soft and luxurious tufted chenille design is showcased beautifully thanks to its all-over geometric pattern. This bedding set adds texture and dimension to any bed. It's a 3-piece set made from 100% cotton percale, and it features a hidden bar tacking. The mid-century, trendy, and geometric design provides a unique and attractive element that will last you many years. What we like about it: breathable, durable cotton fabric. Hidden barracks for a clean look. Machine washable for easy care. What we don't like about it: might be prone to shrinking. Number 3. Milani Bedding Set. Discover luxurious comfort and unparalleled quality with the Milani Bedding Set. This stunning 3-piece set includes a pillow sham, a pillowcase, and a duvet cover that features an elegant design and fine craftsmanship. Made from silky soft fabric, this collection is the ultimate in comfort and style. Each piece in this set is resistant to fading, staining, shrinking, and wrinkling for maximum durability and easy care. The duvet cover's secure tie and button closure system makes sure your comforter and duvet inserts stay in place, while also making the cover simple to remove and put on. What we like about it: includes a duvet cover, pillow sham, and pillowcase. Features a soft and durable microfiber fabric. What we don't like about it: some may find it too warm. Number 4. Down Cool Bedding Set. The Down Cool Bedding Set makes a great choice. Made of 100% polyester microfiber and finished with a light brush process, this bedding set is soft, durable, and quiet. The material is smooth like peach skin and guaranteed to provide you with restful sleep. The comforter set has been manufactured without harmful dyes, and it's also hypoallergenic, which is perfect for people with sensitive skin. The bedding set has passed all tests, so you can be sure you're getting a safe sleep every night as well. What we like about it: machine washable at cold cycle. Wilted to keep filling in place. Soft, breathable material. What we don't like about it: it is not ideal for chilly weather. Number 5. Nanko Bedding Set. The Nanko Bedding Set is a luxurious yet cost-efficient way to upgrade any bedroom. With its beautiful tufted texture and handmade tufts, this set provides outstanding quality and visual enjoyment that will last for years. The lightweight, fluffy, down alternative filling offers a soft and silky feeling that's perfect for year-round comfort. This bedding set will keep you warm and comfortable throughout the cold months while still staying cool in the summertime. What we like about it: breathable, soft, and warm fabric. Machine washable for quick cleanup. Solid stitching adds to the durability. What we don't like about it: colors may differ from pictures. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.